Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, Project Chrysler. It was reported to me by my daughter that her right turn signal blinker was flashing really fast. Well, what that means is you've got a bulb that's burnt out. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to replace it. All right, we're back. I've gotten the car from her, and let's see. As you can see how fast that's blinking compared to the other one. Well, that means you've got a burnout bulb in either the front or the rear. So, can't really tell till you go look. Well, you got a bulb burning here, but you got no bulb in the front. Well, guess what? There's the bulb. Somehow or other, I guess probably from slamming the hood down, it popped it out. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what this entails. All right, right in here. What you do is twist that, and it'll pop out, and that's nice to see. Those are nice and clean. I don't see anything. I don't see anything bad. I guess just because, and that's gonna be the same way when you go to replace the light bulb too, the main bulb, because it's right here. This is great because you can pull it right back inside of the way. So you got this little ring here. Spin it, and then it'll just pop right out. There you go, just like that. That's how you replace the light bulb, and then you come back in. Let's see if they want that thing. Okay, alright, this is where we're at. Now, look at the length of that bolt. Looks like a nail at the bottom, but that's the line. That's so you can align it right down here. That's where it's going to go. It's going to go right through here. And then it's going to go through the, I'm going to get some brake free right now, and I'm going to spray that sucker before I put it back together. And it'll slide right down through there, and then it'll tighten on that. Then on the back side, same way, you've got another 7 mil, and that just goes through, it just goes right through there, and then into your tightening assembly. I did notice this was all loose. So, but of course, as you can see, the front got damaged at one time, so they probably didn't bother to mess with it, and it got loose. So now back to replacing the bulb. You're going to be right back in here. Okay, as you can see, get the bulb back in its socket. And then just stick it in there, line it up. All right. There it is. All right. That's gonna be like 2 o'clock, and then twist. Let's see if we got turn signals now. There you go. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. Alright. We got good signal now. Alright, now you got line it up. We'll get I sprayed some brake blaster on that thing. Alright. 7. So we'll get this line back up. There you go. Okay. Down through there. Yeah. And that one. Back in its little spot there. Okay, good. All right. Okay. Tighten. Oop. All right, there we go. Nice and tight. Get my socket back. There we go. All right. I love you. How are you? I got you on YouTube.
Don't do it.
Okay. So that's back together, and we're all set. Again, these are 7 millimeters, and you do the exact same thing when you change the headlight.